Yo, yo, yo! Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here. Welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to deal with insecurity, believe it or not. Insecurity is a very, very interesting topic because it deals with multiple levels at once. And there are many reasons why insecurities can come up. One of them is seeking of validation from the outside. You bring up your insecurities over and over and over because you're insecure within yourself, that it is okay to be you. You're looking for other people to tell you that it is okay to be you. But the validation of the self has to come from within you. You can have 100 million people say that it is okay for you to be you, but if you do not have it within you, if you have not recognized within yourself that it is okay to be you, which it is, then you're still going to be seeking that validation. You're still not going to recognize that it is okay to be you because you're basing it based upon the external, and you never know what's going on in the external because you only have your own perception of the external based upon your analytical thought processes. And therefore, my friend, it's a trap. Your sense of being okay has to come from within, not from without. As above, so below. As within, so without. In that order. First from above, then into below. First from within, then out without. To the outside. See? There is an order to things. There is a reason why things are written in the order in which they are written. And so insecurity is a form of seeking of validation from the external world because you perceive yourself to not be enough. You perceive yourself, or you're trying to check with the world if it is okay to be you. Well, if you seek God, if you seek the light, what happens is as you allow yourself to be your true self, as you start to explore your needs, wants, and desires, your needs, desires, and wants, you're going to automatically be corrected by the light. Not from the space that you're doing something wrong. No, because you're exploring the self, you're experiencing what it means to be a human, but you are going to be shown a more loving reality instead that is going to be available to you as an option because you are focused upon the light as you are doing this. So you're being shown higher and higher ideal that you can be if you so choose. Because God will never force you to be someone. It is your free will, and you have to voluntarily choose the more loving path, the more joyful path. You will never be forced to walk a joyful path. You will never be forced to walk a loving path. You have to choose them voluntarily, which means you have to let go of anger, you gotta let go of hatred, you gotta let go of the insecurity. And the way you let go of insecurity is, well, you recognize that it's okay to be you. God made you the way He made you because He needed you to be you. And since He needed you to be you, that means you have an important role in this life that only you can fulfill. And only you can fulfill it because you are you. And all of your characteristics and all of your abilities and all of your skills and knowledge amass to that which you are. And all of those combined allow you to be you, meaning you can carry out the work that God wanted you to carry out. You can fulfill the mission that you have here in this world, but only when you are you. Not when you're trying to be the celebrity that you saw on TV, not when you're trying to be the strong man that you saw on YouTube, not when you want to be like your sister who has 15 degrees and speaks 15 languages, That's not the way. You are you, and you have an important role here to do, but you can only fulfill it if you allow yourself to be yourself and you recognize that it's okay. And so you gotta state to yourself that it is okay to be you, and that you can be secure within yourself, that you are fine as you are and you don't need to change. You don't need to change from the perspective that you need to go and fix something, Change does not happen by you wanting to change. Change happens because you learn as you allow yourself to be yourself. Let that sink in for a moment. I bless you, my friend. I wish you an absolutely wonderful day, full of joy and full of love, filled with light. Leave a comment, my friend. Tell me, perhaps you're dealing with some insecurities that you don't know how to overcome. Perhaps you have an idea for a video. Leave it down in the comments below and I will make it. Consider liking the video and subscribe, my friend, because there are many more videos coming your way. I'm sure they're going to be helpful. I'm building slowly up through the chakras. We're covering the first 3 chakras. I want to make sure that they're covered in great detail from many different sides before we move on into non-duality, the aspects of unity and beyond. Once again, have a good one.